Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and in today's video I am really behind in some PR, so I wanted to head on over and create a video in regards to Madam Glam gel polishes. I've always loved Madam Glam. They're absolutely amazing. I have a bunch of videos that I've done in regards to them, reviewing them, doing nail sets, so you guys could definitely check that out. So this is the packaging, very elegant, very beautiful, and then the inside is even more beautiful. It has like this cushiony pink protectant like inside and everything to keep your polishes thriving and making sure that you receive them beautifully and properly. So here, these are the colors that I chose. This is one of their new collections that came out. So here we have the first gel polish that I chose, and by the way, each of them are 15 ml. They are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and HEMA free. They are also good for 12 months. So yeah, here in the back you get their ingredients. I love how they create their products with so much love and care, and they definitely put in an extravagant amount of thought into it just because the formula speaks for itself. So here we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you the amazingness that resides and lives within this bottle. So here as you guys are able to see, it is so creamy, so pigmented. It's the perfect gel polish in a bottle, literally. This one is in Aloha. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we're moving on forward to Coconut. So beautiful. If I could tell you guys to invest in one brand of gel polishes, it would hands down be Madam Glam. Hands down. And I will have a discount code for you all linked down below in the description box, just in case you guys are interested and want to save some coins. Here we have Sun Days. Love that. It's a beautiful rich yellow mustard color. It's coming off a little bit like brighter on camera, but these colors are just gorgeous, literally gorgeous. I absolutely love them. And I also really appreciate how the brand goes ahead and shows you the color on top. Then lastly we have Mahalo or Mahalo. I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce this, but yeah, this is the last color that I chose, and it's absolutely beautiful as well. The collection, I believe, has a total of like 7 or 8 colors. I'm not sure, but yeah, here are the colors that I chose. And now we're gonna go right into swatching them for you all. So here I have my swatch sticks, and we're gonna begin the process. So I'm just gonna put that aside a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and do Aloha first. I literally want you guys to see how rich, creamy, thick, and perfect this gel polish is. And I know everybody who has tried this has, I'm pretty sure, the same opinion, because they are amazing. Just gonna clear that really quick. Then we're moving on to this one. I love the names. I think they're super cute. What a beautiful color. Literally reminds me of coconuts. This is only one coat, by the way. So you could definitely expect these to last you a very long time because you only need one coat, which is what I love. You definitely get your money's worth. Then we have Sundays. Very gorgeous. And lastly, we have this one. And here we have these swatches. They are so beautiful. I'm super in love with these colors, and they're definitely different because I don't really own colors like this, so I'm really excited to add them and expand them into my collection. So let me know down below if you guys like Madam Glam, if you'd like to try them, or if you already own them. Let me know. The Extreme Square by Ina Couture. And I won't be putting them on, but I will be creating a nice design just because I do have nails on that I'm not ready to take off yet. I did do like a little French set the other day, so still want to keep it on. So these are already pre-etched, so that's really nice. And I'm just gonna go right into this tutorial. So I think the ones that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be doing most likely a French, like a different type of French, using the colors that I have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this one as like a background color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds under my 74-watt lamp. Okay, so these are what the nails look like. Literally, you only need one coat. That's how highly pigmented they are. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of everything. A little bit of all these colors that I have here. Gonna use a little brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and before that I'm gonna grab a dotting tool. like it, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. These are what the nails look like. I really love them. I think they look nice. And they're very pretty. I really am loving that marble look. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next upload.